Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Deepa. I am Assistant Professor Dermatology at Dhar University of Health Sciences and Consultant Dermatologist at Dr. Ziauddin Hospital, Clifton, Karachi and Makeover Clinic, Zalma. As we all know, because of this pandemic situation globally, that is COVID-19, everybody is affected. Some OPDs are open, some are closed. Our dermatology patients of acute as well as chronic issues are suffering a lot. I am here to discuss you about the most concerned problem of dermatology OPD, that is acne vulgaris. अच्छा, सबसे पहले what is acne? Acne is a disorder of pilosebaceous gland and it can affect face, back and chest most commonly, but other parts of the body can also be involved, and it occurs mostly in young age group, but adult can also be suffer from the acne. Achha, there are various causes of acne. It can be affected by hormones, and if you have a genetic predisposition of getting the acne, like आपकी अम्मी को, खाला को, आपकी बहन को acne है, तो you are most prone to get the acne. और इसके अलावा ऑयल बेस्ड कॉस्मेटिक्स जो हम यूज़ करते हैं, दे कैन एग्रीवेट द एक्नी. ऑयल जो हम सर पे लगाते हैं, इसको हम कहते हैं पोमेड एक्नी, जो फॉरहेड पे होती है. तो जेल्स लगाते हैं, ऑयल्स लगाते हैं फॉर लॉन्गर पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, इट कैन एग्रीवेट द एक्नी एंड कॉजेज द पोमेड एक्नी स्पेशली. और अच्छा, diet plays a very important part in aggravation of acne. The diet which are rich in high glycemic index, oily चीज़ें, मीठी चीज़ें should be avoided in acne anyhow. Healthy diet will affect all the system of our body, and our skin is the largest part of the body. So if we eat healthy, we will look healthy and fresh also. अच्छा, दिस इज़ अ वेरी कॉमन क्वेश्चन कि हमें एक्नी है तो हम फेशियल कौन सा लें. लिसन, any sort of facial can cause the activation of sebaceous gland due to massage on the face, resulting increased breakout of your already existing acne. So any sort of massage facial is not recommended at all during your acne breakouts, right? Globally, acne is a very common problem, so it's a myth कि एक्नी खुद ब खुद चली जाएगी. इट्स अ डिसऑर्डर ऑफ यंग एज ग्रुप. नो, बिकॉज इट हैज़ अ ग्रेट इम्पैक्ट साइकोलॉजिकली एज वेल एज सेल्फ स्टीम ऑफ अ पर्सन, नॉट इन टीनेजर्स, ऑल्सो इन द एडल्ट एज ग्रुप. सो वी हैव टू ट्रीट इट timely as well as effectively in order to avoid the complication. Complication में क्या है? It can leave the scars, it can lead to pigmentation, and which will be very difficult to treat afterward, right? This is a very common question the boys do ask from me, especially if they have got the acne prone skin. Actually, when shaved with the multi-blade razor, it will cut the hair below the level of the skin, and when the hair grows back, it can lead to folliculitis as well as formation of bump. So electric razor is a very good option for the boys having acne prone skin, right? Actually, we divide the acne according to the grades, like grade 1 से लेके grade 4 तक, और depend upon you have got the mild acne, moderate acne or severe acne. So the question is, how do you manage your acne during this lockdown situation? First of all, I will advise you to use oil controlled face wash containing salicylic acid, and what it will do, it will unblock the pores of your skin and hence prevent the acne and removes the dead cell also, right? Apart from this, we also prescribe the topical agent as well as systemic agents, again depending upon the severity of the acne. But what you can do right now at home, you can apply the topical agents, and I will tell you the generic name of the topicals. Like you can use clindamycin gel at daytime, in the morning as well as afternoon, and at night time there are various options, like you can apply the creams containing tretinoin, you can apply the creams containing adapalene, and the creams containing benzoyl peroxide or niacinamide, you can apply over the affected area at night time, and it will improve your acne definitely. Moreover, if your acne doesn't improve with topical agents applied for 2 to 3 weeks, then you can always visit to the qualified dermatologist, provided the lockdown situation get off, and they will prescribe you the suitable treatment, systemic agents. Like we have an option of antibiotic containing azithromycin, doxycycline, and we can also start the retinoid after ruling out the contraindication. It depends upon your type of acne and the grading of acne always, right? I hope you will take care of your acne during this pandemic situation, during this lockdown situation. And one advice for you: don't touch your face again and again if you're having the acne. Don't scrub it, don't stretch it, don't pop your acne, because it will lead to scar as well as pigmentation, right? And avoid using junk food and oily चीज़ें, मीठी चीज़ें you have to avoid. अभी तो रमज़ान आ रहा है, so you have to take care of your skin. And जंक फूड में क्या क्या आता है? पिज़्ज़ा, बर्गर, फ्रेंच फ्राइज, समोसे, पकोड़े, आइसक्रीम, फिजी ड्रिंक्स, एज वेल एज आजकल मैंगोज़ का सीज़न है, तो यू हैव टू अवॉइड दिस हाई ग्लाइसेमिक इंडेक्स डाइट, राइट? होप यू विल टेक केयर ऑफ योर सेल्फ एंड टेक केयर ऑफ योर स्किन, and your skin will glow if you follow these steps, right? Thank you so much. Take care, stay safe, stay inside your home, right? Thank you.